How to find my Facebook user ID and username. So if you are here for finding out your username and user ID of your Facebook account, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook, from where you'll be able to explore to various posts or feeds like this. So the first step is you need to tap over the three bar horizontal line at the right upper corner. And here you have to tap over the settings option right next to search bar at the right upper corner. And here are all of the settings related to your Facebook account. At the top there is account center. Just tap over the account center. And all of the options are available over here. Just have to tap over your profiles at the upper section. And since I have connected my Facebook with my Instagram, both profiles are displayed in this section. You just have to tap over the Facebook, and here will be your information like your name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Simply go for username, and your username will be available in this section. If it's not available, then you can also choose a username over here, and you can tap on done option at the bottom, and you'll be able to edit or have your username also. So this is how easily you can find your Facebook user ID or username. So hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.